Hey guys, here's a video on how to replace a turn signal relay for a 2000 F250. This should work on a 99 through 2003 F250, F350, and even the Excursion. So to dive into it here, what you're looking at is there's a relay block on the other side of this bracket here. Now this is the one that you can quickly access from this fuse panel access. So you see this bracket here, and over here on the other side of this, where my finger's touching, you can see the relay block. Some guys would tell you to come up here and remove this star hard nut and remove the actual air supply line that supplies warm air to your feet when you have it on the floor mode. That's a way to do it, but you have to reach up there blind once you remove that and try to remove it. My truck even had this protective cover assembly on that relay block that would have made it a little more difficult to get off and reach up in the blind. So what I did is I just removed the dash assembly. It all comes out with those quick clips. If you have a screwdriver or the actual tool to remove those, either way will work. Now once you remove that, you get a nice look in here through the hole for the stereo, and you can see down there is the actual relay block that I was showing you from the other side. The turn signal in my truck is actually that blue one right there. So it gives you a lot better access to remove that cover, as well as to remove and replace the relay with a little more visibility so you can see what you're doing. So just take your time when you remove the dash assembly so that you don't damage anything, and it should give you a little bit better access, and it's another alternative way of removing that. So hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks.